Do you want to study for the Stage 2 exam but don't know where to start? Well, start here inside my last masterclass this year and get exam ready. I've been teaching inside my programs for almost 5 years now, helping hundreds of occupational therapists and physical therapists become experts in hand therapy. You can study easier than most people. You can confidently know what resources to use and how to use them. You can create a plan and be able to stick with it. Come join me inside my Exam Ready Masterclass. Participants already tell me the Exam Ready Masterclass gave me the structure I needed to move forward. It offered so much value and helped it motivate me to get started quickly. So get access to me and how I teach my students inside the exam prep so you too can draw a line in the sand and study to become a certified hand therapist. RSVP for the Exam Ready Masterclass today. I'll see you there.